Bracing for a triple threat of weather as a storm is unfolding across Atlantic Canada. We're going to see the snow and the rain-snow mix, heavy rain and gusty winds as well. Through Wednesday overnight to early Thursday morning, snow and rain spreads across the Maritimes first. It's going to be snow to start for some in Nova Scotia, but overall this is changing over to widespread rain, including rain in Halifax. New Brunswick will see some mixing. The heavier snow will be in the north, where it's staying cold enough for that. Newfoundland through Friday sees the snow to start for some, the mixing, and then the rain, which will be heavy around Port aux Basques and even for the Avalon. As we take a look at how much snow will accumulate, the highest amounts in northern New Brunswick, but the under 5 centimeters through the Bay of Fundy is in the cards. Labrador City, 10 to 20 centimeters for you, 20 to 30 in some locales as well. The rainfall outlook looks to be 20 to 30 millimeters across the shorelines of Nova Scotia, including Halifax, Cape Breton higher amounts, and around Port aux Basques could be tipping 50 to 70 millimeters of rainfall. But I also need to mention the winds. Very strong Thursday afternoon in Halifax with gusts in excess of 70 kilometers an hour. And for Newfoundland on Friday, get ready for potential power outages as we see wind gusts in St. John's even reaching up to possibly 114 kilometers an hour.